Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a beautiful paper doll. So for this we need two paper sheets of different colors, one Fevicol or Fevistick, scale and one pencil. So let's start. Now take a piece of paper of dimensions 25 by 12 and then we are to mark lines, equal lines with pencil to make equal distant lines like this. We may start this way. I have marked like this. Now the next step is that we are to fold here alternatively. First start here from the first line and make proper fold, press it properly so that it may creases properly. Then alternatively, one this side and second then on the other side, right? Like this way I have folded. We have to press it properly. Now take another piece of paper of different color with dimensions of 20 by 8 and fold it in the same manner that we have folded first, this way. Now we have two pieces. For the first one, fold it in the middle and then paste it like this. I have pasted it this way in the center. Now take another piece and fold it in the middle like this, and then this folded part paste it on the here, paste it like this. From the corner we are to fold it this way. We have to fold it and like this. Now the basic body of the doll is ready and we will make the face, the next part. Now I am going to make the face. For this we are to take a strip of 8 cm length and 1.5 cm from there. And next mark the points at 2 cm here and at the 6 cm, and on the upper side mark here at the point 3 and then at the 5 cm, right? And then we are to join point 2 to 3 and 0.5 to 6, right? This way. And after that we are to fold it here from here downwards and at this point like this, right? Now cut a circle of radius 1.5 cm and then draw the face with sketch. You can draw the face of any mood, happy face, expressions you may give according to your choice, right? Here you may make the face this way, right? And the next step is you are to set this hair like this, straight. Apply Fevicol or you may use the Fevistick also, which is easy. Yes, I have made a face, I have made another face like this. You can also make this. You can use the bindis right here for this face. And now we will paste this, keep it here on the top of the, and then apply here Fevicol. And now your doll is ready. You can make different dolls by using different sheets of paper.